If I want to trigger a lot for inspection type 0800, then one configuration is required, which will allow me to move the stock which is present in the quality, and we don't have any QM setting done for that material. No inspection type was activated for this. Then using QA08, we can activate 0800 inspection type, and the proper UD code need to be created. Let's see how it works in the system. SE16N enter, and we can take MARC table, and here I can specify the plant as say 1000. Materials where the QM view is not activated, so I can enter asterisk Q asterisk and exclude this pattern. Okay, continue and let me execute it. So I will get the material where the QM view is not there in that. So if I take say 142, so let's check the detail of material 142. MM02 enter, 142 enter. Here you can see at present QM view is not there in this. Let's check the stock for the same material. MMBE enter, and the material is 142. Let's see in which plant it is. Execute it. So it's present in 1000 plant and my material is 142. At present in this material, the QM view is not activated. First, let me activate QM view in this. So I'm going to the creation mode of 142 is the material, enter, and I'm activating QM view in this. Plant is 1000, continue, and I'm not activating any inspection type. Only the view I have activated, save it. Okay, and let me go to /n ME21N and add some stock in the quality department. So this is my supplier and my purchasing organization detail. Okay, header level data, and my material is 142. Quantity I can enter say 15. Plant is 1000 and storage location I can specify, press enter key. Amount I am entering some dummy value here for this, enter and check it once. Okay, requisition number it is asking me, so I can enter that. Say 1, press enter key and check it once, all is okay, just a warning, so save it. So once you save it, the purchase order number is created and this is the number which is created. Copy it and we can do the Migo for it. /n Migo, enter, and good receipts against the purchase order, and this is the purchase order number. Press enter key, and in the material, this is my material quantity is 15, where location, and I'm selecting item. Okay, click. I want to move this stock to the quality department. By default, it is picking up as unrestricted use. I haven't activated any inspection type, but I want to add some stock in the quality department. So I'm selecting quality inspection purposely here. Okay, so this stock will come to the quality department. Click on check once and then post it. Now we will go to stock, and if I refresh it, we can see the stock is in quality department. Okay, and if we check the QA32 report and execute it, so at present there is no lot with the material 142, as we haven't activated any inspection type for that material. Now I can't clear the stock till I do the usage decision for this. How we will be able to clear this stock? Let's check that. Go to the configuration, QCC0, enter, And here in the basic settings, maintain setting at the plant level, my plant is 1000, double click on it. Here you can see in the inspection lot creation, you will find this 0800 inspection type. Origin is 08 only. So inspection lot with inspection stock at the QM activation. If I go to the inspection type specific setting here, the UD codes are also maintained for inspection type 0800. Okay, so this configuration is required first at the plant level. We will try to activate this inspection type 0800. We have to go to QA08, enter, and here I will select inspection type and activate despite inspection stock and even the create change document. Here you will specify the inspection type which you want to activate, which is 0800. I can enter my plant as this and my material 142 is my material, which is pen. Okay, click on execute. So this is the material and then you will click on save. So you can see the lot number, it is showing me prefixed with 8. If you see the details, lot number is this. Okay, let's go back and we will check it in the QA32 report. If I refresh it, so the lot has been triggered. This is my material, the quantity is 15, it is in created state. Okay, as there is no inspection plan yet created for this material, if I go to the inspection lot with the origin 8, inspection type is 0800. Since the plan doesn't exist at present, we have to first create it, then we will assign it. The sample, that's why is 0. Let's save it and let me show you the material details also. Once again, we MM02, enter, and this was the material quality management view. Now the inspection setup is checked, and if we check the details, so inspection type 0800 has been activated. Inspect characteristics, it is unchecked. Okay, but the task list is selected here, and post to inspection stock, this is checked. Okay, so let's create a plan for it. /n QP01, enter. Material is 142, enter. Plant is 1000, enter. And usage, it was showing me as 3, so I can create a usage as 3. 3 is for the universal. Status, I can keep it as 4, which is for released. In the operation, we can add the control key as QM01, some description. Since we are not checking any MIC, I don't need to add the MIC here. Save it. Continue. And now we will try to assign this plan here. We will go to the inspection lot, and in the inspection specification, I can click on task list. So the plan is assigned. Click on sample. Save it. If I refresh it, it is now released. Select this. And let me show you, the stock is still in the quality department. Okay. So at present it is 15 is in the quality department, and we will do the usage decision to clear it. Inspection lot is this and the material is this. We can enter, say accepted, and the stock posting tab is there. I can specify I want to move the stock to the unrestricted. Here we can check the stock also. What is the current stock? It is in quality department and no other stock is there. Okay, so let's go back and I'm moving it to the unrestricted. Click on save and now refresh it. So that is removed and we can go to again the stock. At present, it is showing in the quality department, but we have done the usage decision. So if I refresh it, it will move to the unrestricted. So this is how you can clear the stock if it is in quality department.